Did you know that you only need 60 seconds to earn this money? That's right! You only need a minute to generate this amount of money. Aside from that, this is legitimate as there are payment proofs like this. I will teach you a new Google hack in this video. Very few people know about this, but they are already earning a lot from this hack. Actually, people are gatekeeping this hack to keep the profit to themselves. It is not my interest to earn, but rather, I want to help you earn money online too. So, I will teach you about it today so you can get started and make your first $100 online. The earning potential in this hack is really high. Thus, the sky's the only limit and you will be free financially and geographically. Once you master this step-by-step process that I will teach you, you might be able to pay off your debts. As a start, this process is 100% free and is available worldwide. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning and do not hesitate by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. To proceed, search youtube.com and find some motivational videos. There are tons of videos posted by various people that have earned millions of views already. Do not worry, you won't make your own video. There are no required accounts or gadgets in the hack that I will teach you. Instead, I will tell you the secret on how you can earn money using other people's YouTube videos. Now, let's choose motivational videos which already have millions of views. You can see that a lot of people are searching for this kind of content, so we could use these videos. Now, the first step is to pick 3 different motivational videos. Before we continue, do not forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment on this video. For the next step, open another tab and search for uii.io. The said website will shorten your link and it will pay you through PayPal every time someone clicks the URL you generated. So the whole process is simple. You will create a free account, then you will be able to shorten links. Now, when you share the link and people click on it, you will get paid in PayPal. Actually, this is how a lot of people earn tons of money every single day. There is money in every click that you get. Not just that, but there are various rates depending on who's clicking your link. So for example, you will earn $7 when people from the United Kingdom access your link. Then, you will get $5 when people from Norway click it. You will find the list of rates on their website. Again, our strategy is to shorten links and get as many people to click on the link to get paid continuously. To do this, find 3 motivational videos on YouTube. Then, press the share button and copy the link. You will not directly share the links. Instead, proceed to uii.io to shorten the URL. Now, to increase the traffic of the links that you have shortened, I present to you this complete and well-written script. You will need this to persuade people to click the link you sent them. So, it is called Motivate Yourself Like You Never Did Before. This is the whole script. You will just copy and paste it on a new Google Docs. Then, input the shortened link in this column. Then, copy and highlight the formatted script. Once you are done with these steps, you will surely make money online. To create a free account on uii.io, follow these steps. Press the sign up button, then you will get redirected to another page where you will register. Create a username, email, and unique password. Then, it will log in to your latest account. In the dashboard, you will see your stats that contain the amount of clicks you are receiving and the amount of money you are getting every day. Since you are new, the amount will be 0. That will improve as days go by. Now, I will present this detailed example of how to use uii.io with a new account. To do this, press the button that says New Shortened Link. Then a pop-up box will show. Leave it for a while and proceed to YouTube. Choose a video and select the Share button. From that, you can copy the YouTube URL. Proceed to the uii.io dashboard again. You will paste the shortened link on this box. Put the term Motivation under the alias heading. Press the shorten button and it will automatically shorten the YouTube link for you. When people click on this link, they will be redirected to the YouTube video page and you will earn money. Now, copy the shortened link and paste it on the script that I gave you. Again, do these steps for the second and third video. Just paste their links under the others. Remember, the more links you put, the more money you will earn when people click them. When you are already done, look and click the File button. Then, press Download and choose Download as PDF. This will allow you to post it on the website that I will tell you about. This is where you will encourage people to click on your link. So proceed to slideshare.net. This is a site where people upload various documents. People would be able to look and browse through the list of slideshows and documents that are presented here. Look at this document as an example. To sign up for a free account, press the Sign Up button. Then, you will be redirected to another page where you can create an account. On the top right corner of the page, you will see the Upload button. Click it and you will get redirected again. On the page, you can now upload the PDF file that you downloaded. As you can see, this site has over 160 million monthly visitors. Thus, a lot of people come to this website and that will certainly increase the traffic of your link. When people click on your URL, you will earn money. Aside from that, they will be redirected to the YouTube videos where they can start watching and learning new information. If you think about it, it is a win-win situation. You get to share informative videos to other people and you also get paid in doing so. Again, this is the Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.